When you're staring at a panel that needs a rock-solid connection, you quickly realize that not all breakers are created equal. This particular 3-pole unit from Schneider Electric is one of those components that just feels right the moment you pick it up. It has a certain heft to it, a density that tells you it is not just some flimsy piece of plastic. You can tell immediately that it is built for a bolt-on application, which is a massive step up from the standard plug-in styles if you are working in an environment where vibration or accidental movement is a genuine concern. Now here is the thing about these bolt-on designs. They are not meant for the casual weekend warrior who wants to swap things out in seconds. They are for when you need a permanent, secure, and vibration-resistant connection that stays put for years. The build quality is exactly what you would expect from the Square D line. The toggle action is crisp and snappy, giving you that satisfying mechanical feedback that lets you know the circuit is actually engaged. It is rated for 20 amps across 3 poles, making it a workhorse for those 240-volt applications where you cannot afford any loose connections or arcing issues. What stands out, though, is the sheer reliability of the mounting system. Because it bolts directly to the bus, you get a level of contact integrity that plug-in breakers just cannot match. It is a bit more work to install, sure, but that is the trade-off for peace of mind. Honestly, the packaging is a bit overkill. It comes in a box that feels way larger than the actual component, which is a bit of a head-scratcher, but the breaker itself is protected perfectly. If there is a downside, it is that you are locked into the bolt-on ecosystem. You cannot just swap this into a standard residential panel without the right setup, so you really need to know your equipment before picking this up. It is a specialized piece of gear for a specific job. But if you are looking for something that is going to hold up under heavy industrial or commercial use, this is pretty much the gold standard. It is not flashy, it does not have any fancy bells or whistles, but it does exactly what it is supposed to do every single time you flip that switch. It is a solid, dependable piece of hardware that does not try to be anything other than a reliable connection point. If you need a 3-pole breaker that is going to stay locked in place and perform consistently, this is the one to grab. It is just a well-engineered, no-nonsense component that gets the job done without any drama.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.